Did you know your mortgage broker might not have your best interest in mind? While mortgage brokers can be helpful, there are some that have dirty secrets. I'll be covering 6 that everyone needs to know that plans on getting a mortgage. Let's get into it. Secret 1, hidden fees and closing costs. A lot of mortgage brokers won't mention all the fees you'll face until the last minute. Think application fee, origination fee, appraisal fee. The application fee alone can cost up to $500. Now, some will waive it, but not all. How about origination fee? It could be 1% of the loan total. Say you're getting a $300,000 loan. That origination fee for originating the loan could cost you $3,000. They may decide to charge you to review the appraisal. These fees can really start to add up and be a huge surprise for you at closing. So let's go over some of them so you know what to look out for. Origination fee. Again, that is for the lender to originate the loan. I get it, yeah, they need to get paid, but just make sure it's within a reasonable amount. And remember, everything's negotiable. You got the loan origination fee, and you also have discount point fees. They can charge you to lower the interest rate. They'll call them points. Closing cost fees. You got appraisal fees, credit report fee, title search fee, and title insurance. Now there's also escrow fee. Do not confuse this, please, with your escrow deposit. That's completely separate. What an escrow fee is, it is an account set up by the lender to hold property taxes, homeowners insurance, and other reoccurring expenses. And a fee will be charged by the lender to manage this account. Now there are some other potential fees, such as prepayment penalty fee, late fees, and private mortgage insurance, also known as PMI. And what that is if you do not have at least 20% to put down, so when they have these great deals, only put 1%, 3.5%, they're gonna charge you this private mortgage insurance fee. And what it is to protect the lender in case you default on the loan. And trust me, this fee never goes away. They say once it meets a certain limit, but good luck with that, or it'll be way, way farther than you think. So to give you another example, how much this fee can cost you. So let's say on a $300,000 loan, it can cost between $600 and $6,000 a year, or $50 to $500 a month. And the exact cost will depend on factors such as how much you do put down. Are you putting 3% or 10% down? What's your credit score? And other factors that they determine how much this PMI is going to end up costing you. So my tip for you is make sure you get a good faith estimate early in the process and then compare it to the final closing cost. Just by you asking for this will let the lender know that you are an informed buyer. Secret number 2, steering towards higher commission. Oh no, say it isn't so. Lenders are paid on commission, and many have incentives to steer you towards a higher loan where they will get paid more commission. And this can result in borrowers not getting the best loan for them, for you. So what I suggest here is always ask your lender, is this the best choice for me or for you? And additionally, shop around with other lenders, with other brokers, and let them know you're planning on doing this. That way they know upfront you're an informed buyer and that they hopefully will give you the best rate out the gate, or at least start disclosing everything. Be careful, though, there are some smooth talkers. I just did a deal, one of my last deals. I'm not really working with buyers anymore. I'm a referral only. But wow, what a doozy. This lender was such a BSer. He had the guy buyer, it was a boyfriend, girlfriend, so buffaloed. I think he had a man crush on him. And with me doing this for well over 12 years, and this buyer had never bought a home, he was believing everything this lender was dishing out. And as a result, cost this couple tons because there was delays after delays. It was a very difficult situation. They were selling 2 properties, to purchase one, and everything was contingent upon everything. And this lender kept messing everything up, but would try to brush it off like none of it was his fault. I don't throw people under the bus, but I started saying to the buyers, because I knew if I just flat out said it, they weren't going to believe me. Not that it would matter, we were so involved in it, but I wanted them to keep on top of the lender just as much as I was, that I would let them know, hey, I've been trying to get a hold of the lender for 3 days. The seller's getting upset. If we could only get an answer, we can calm the sellers down. The listing agent had approached me and said, what is the deal with this lender? I was like, oh, thank you. I knew it wasn't just me. Yeah, he's cray-cray. What a difference it can make having a good lender. If you feel or smell any BS, get out. Again, I know I say this all the time, but this is where a good real estate agent can help you. Fill out the form below. I can help you with that, or give me a call. Secret number 3, rate markup for bigger profits. Mortgage brokers can sometimes mark up your interest rates beyond what the lender offers. And then they take that markup as extra commission. And listen, a seemingly small change in interest rates can have a huge effect on your wallet. It can make a big difference in your loan, especially over the length of the entire loan. It can result in higher monthly payments and thousands more dollars paid, again, over the life of the loan. My tip for you, ask to see the lender's original rate sheet. Yeah, you can ask for that. And don't hesitate to negotiate the markup. Every point counts. Secret number 4, limited lender options. Many brokers may have relationships with only a few lenders, meaning they can only offer you loans from those companies, even if there's better options out there. With the limited range of options, you have less potentially competitive terms. So my tip for you is don't assume your lender is giving you the best loan options. Again, shop around and find out what else is out there. Because if they only have limited options, that's all they can give you. And most lenders aren't gonna let you know that there's better suited ones out there for you and lose the deal. They won't get paid for that. So you gotta do your homework, you gotta do what's best for you and shop around. Secret number 5 is unreliable pre-approval. Pre-approvals are so important. That's why real estate agents will ask for them. Because if you are not vetted, if you do not have a good pre-approval, and now we get through the process and it's towards the end and the loan falls apart, guess what? You're out of your inspection money, you're out of your application fee probably you may have paid, you're out of your appraisal, and possibly even lose your escrow. Make sure you have a vetted pre-approval letter. A flimsy pre-approval letter can destroy the deal at the last minute, and that's very heartbreaking for everyone, especially you. So my tip is ask how detailed is this pre-approval. Let them know this is your concern. You don't want to lose all your money and time in this beautiful home you finally found because you're not vetted properly. You don't have the right amount of money. Some just throw it together and hope for the best. You don't want that. Trust me. Make sure they do this little bit of upfront work in the beginning so you can close successfully. Number 6, dirty little secret, not disclosing the full payment impact. Certain loan types like adjustable rate mortgage, interest-only loans, or balloon payments may not have the long-term payment clearly explained to you. They may not explain it properly to you. And the worst thing you want is have this low, attractive payment in the beginning, thinking life is good. You're wrapped up in the excitement of buying this beautiful new home, and then bam, 5-6 years from now, it doubles or triples, and you're looking at a foreclosure or selling at a loss. Make sure everything is fully explained. And my tip for you is ask your broker for a breakdown of the payments. Every payment you will make over the life of the loan. Be proactive in your mortgage process. And remember, your mortgage could be possibly one of the biggest financial decisions you make. Do your homework. If you experienced a particular mortgage situation or learned anything from this video, please comment below. Till next time.